do next is try measuring this against the pillows. Let's have a look at it. And this will be mortise and tenon joint. Mortise here somewhere, and a tenon, you know, that will go probably down to here. So I can't mark that, but I guess this is how far it's gonna go. I think that should be fine. And same on the other side. So I think I should cut it to this length. So shall we cut this one off? Yeah, let's try that. Done. This will be a leg, I think, and I'm gonna plane this leg to its size. I think we're there with this one. Okay, so which side shall we cut off? So maybe we'll go through here. Now the other side. Skills. Pencil. Now I just wonder if when Paul Sellers is recording his videos, whether he does many like retakes because he drops his tools. Probably not. There we go again. That's it. We got a leg. I'll smooth the sides a little bit so I don't get a splinter. There we go. That's it. Obviously this will be rounded nicely, and here as well. It's gonna look more like this once it's rounded. There we go. Done for today. Welcome back, another sunny day. And today I'm gonna rip the other side, and I'm gonna try a different technique, or I mean different place outside. Hopefully it will be a little easier. I also sharpened the saw for a rip cut, just, you know, using Paul Sellers technique or video that I watched. Yesterday I made like a clamp for the saw, which I may show you later. So let's get to it. The saw cuts so much better. So much better. have planed the side. So this piece is now done in terms of ripping it to the size that I want it. So now I just need to do another 2. So on to the next one. The final one. Now moving on to the big one. And like I said, I have sharpened the saw using this. So I made this from a piece of scrap wood. This is where the saw comes in. Like this. Then you put it in the vise and you can sharpen the saw with a file. And that's what I've done. So here we go, let's see. I'll have to be careful because I have the 2 lines right now. They're quite close to each other. So I need to be extra careful not to go, off-piste. This is gonna take a while. I think I'm gonna put it on a time lapse. Okay, I think we're good. I couldn't resist and I bought another saw, Spare & Jackson 7 TPI. Yes, oh, not TPI, PPI, 7 points per inch. So slightly bigger teeth and bigger saw is this one. This is 10 that I re-sharpened. So I'm gonna try the new one without sharpening again, and then I'll try to re-sharpen it and see how it's gonna do. And for that I'm gonna switch into time lapse. So half of the cut done. Now I will re-sharpen or sharpen the saw for the first time and see the difference. It wasn't too bad. It was cutting quite nicely. It took a while to get used to it because it's rougher cut, bigger teeth, and I was a little cautious to start with. But then once I got going, it was okay. There we go. Done. My fingers are cut. So on the second time I sharpened this, well actually not, the third time I sharpened the saw. So it's all part of the learning process, I guess. I'm gonna put a little bit of beeswax on the blade. dokie. Let's try the saw. That's it, done. So I think once I got the technique right, it was quite good, but not massively better, I would say. I think I will re-sharpen the first saw, because I cut, a few cuts with it already, and see how it goes with that one again. Okay, so let's plane this. Okay, that's it. Whew. Proper workout. Okay, done. That's a lot of shavings. That's 2 done. 1, 2, 1 more to go.